In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this device. All you need to do is go into Play Store and tap on the search bar to type in Launcher OS, Launcher Studio. Then get free app from Launcher Studio Developer and open it. Finally, hit Get Started, choose I agree to terms and conditions, select Continue and tap on Continue again. Now it's time to select while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. Hit Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same Launcher app, hitting Set as Default and tapping on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!